So this is the camp kitchen, so you need the code to come in also. Nice and clean. So you got a little sink over there, fridge. I'm not sure if that's an oven or, because there is a microwave there, so this one might be some sort of oven. Oh yeah. Fries and steam, slow cook, okay. Got some hot plates there, got a microwave, another sink, kettle, toaster, another hot plate, heaps of bench space, kettle, another hot plate, another kettle and toaster, TV, there's a table tennis table outside, got a couple of tables inside. It's a shame on a hot day they don't have air conditioning in here, that you could sit in here and relax a bit if it got really hot. You know, especially for those that might be in a tent or something. Yeah. But no, all nice and clean. There's a bin outside the door. And just outside there you got electric barbecue and some undercover seating over there too. And the amenities are next door. We've got some PowerPoints that you can probably use, I guess, in here. While you're cooking your food, you want to charge something up. Got paper towel and soap. Yeah, not bad.